It may look something like this. Hey, Ben here with ConEquip 101, talking about some aftermarket vinyl drives and some things that might be unexpected that show up. Couple things. Aftermarket vinyl drive for your excavator shows up, it might be a different color. It might even have a little bit of a different shape. But you know what? I bet the bolt pattern's probably the same. The bolt thread's gonna be the same. The number of holes for your sprocket are gonna be the same and the same spacing. So that's all fine and dandy. Life is good so far. So then you're ready to hook the hoses up and you're like, something just ain't seeming exactly the same here. Okay, we got, the ports are okay. There's a couple, what is this? So why is there an adapter here? So the fittings, my hose ain't gonna fit to that. So you're like, I'm gonna call my parts rep. Hey, the hoses don't fit. I don't know what to do. Most likely, there is an additional hose piece or some adapters in the package that you receive. It may look something like this. Okay, we got some adapters, some T-fittings, and so forth like that, the instructions, if you just follow carefully, will tell you exactly what you need to have to get it lined up, ready to go, back and tracking for you. That's the goal with the aftermarket vinyl drive. Excellent quality, lower cost, but might look a little different. It's okay. We got it all covered for you at ConEquip Parts. This has been ConEquip 101. Thank you.